All right, guys, welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1979 Trans Am. This one here's got a 403 under the hood with power steering. Got an aftermarket set of wheels on this car. I think it sets it off, makes it look really good. Check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, 100 detailed pictures, and all of our inventory. If you hit that subscribe button, you can see videos posted daily of these classic muscle cars. All right, guys, we're getting ready to hit the road, so buckle up. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Interior's pretty nice all around. Headliner's got a little bit of wrinkling in it, but for the most part, it's pretty straight. There's no holes or rips. Go ahead and start it up. I'll show you the miles on this car, which is hard to stand behind anything. In the 70s here. We're definitely going to the gas station. We're on E there. Let's try our blower motor out. It's going to need a blower motor. Let's try the radio. That's a really old radio. It's probably going to need a radio too. Windshield wipers, they do work. They're actually stuck on the hood right now. Let me pull up on that hood. Got to pull up on that other side. Hood's a little bit low on the back. Watch your fingers, because it'll take them off. There we go. Windshield wipers do work. And let's try out this horn. You ready? It's clicking, but it's not beeping. You got a tilt column on this one too. Let's hit the road, guys. Okay, got my seatbelt on. We're gonna take off down the road. Any flaws that I see on this car, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. First things first, we're gonna head on down to the gas station. We're on that E spot. This car's very peppy. Looks pretty good. See if our kick down's hooked up. Kick down is not hooked up on this one. Speedometer's coming up, RPM's working, our oil pressure's up to about 50, water temperature's just now 150. Gas gauge is fluctuating everywhere on the dash. Alternator gauge is working as well. Brakes are touchy, they feel good. They're stopping fast. Neither one of the flashers are popping up on the dash, but you can hear the clicking sound from the turn signals, but the little lights on the dash are actually out. Suspension don't feel bad on this one. We're going in a straight line. And the steering's nice and tight. I mean, as soon as I turn, it turns. This is our gas station stop. I'm gonna roll over here, get about $20 worth of premium fuel, and we'll keep heading down the road. All right, guys, let's do it. Okay, we're up here at the filling station. We're gonna put about $20 worth of fuel in this car. We'll be checking that gas gauge out, making sure it works for you. So run the fuel in the back here behind the tag. And we're almost there. Okay, so our gas gauge has been looking like this since we left the lot. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on and we'll see what it does. Immediately jumped up to half a tank. Our gas gauge is working. Just keep rolling. Okay guys, we're riding around here. Looks like our oil pressure is right at 30. Engine temperature still about 160, 170. Staying pretty cool. Of course, that gauge may be off a little bit. It seems like it's on the low side, but the car is not getting hot at all. We've had it running for a long time, getting all these parking lot shots and doing the walk around video. Definitely check out the walk around video. It points out all the flaws on the outside, chips, scratches, and gives you some more undercarriage shots. All right, let's get on out of here. Throttle's very responsive on this one. Coming up on that road with a speed bump in it. Oh, so is he with the trailer. All right, so we're gonna lay back and let this guy get way ahead. And well, we can actually, I'll try to hit it here every once in a while, not just roast the tires, just kind of give you an idea. So speed bump's coming up right here, right there. Fairly smooth. Get on the brakes real hard. Kind of pulls a little bit if you get on them real hard, but most of the time you're gonna be hanging on that steering wheel anyways. Good deal. We're right around the corner from the car lot now. Getting ready to go back in there, grab another Trans Am, give you an idea on price difference here. We've got another one that's a little bit cheaper than this, and I'll put it up. It needs paint. This one don't. Okay, guys. Waiting on this light here. I'll go ahead and give y'all a break. All right. This car feels awesome. Getting ready to head back to the lot. I went ahead and cruised a little bit past it. I want to see what Brian's doing today. Guys, if you haven't checked him out before, check out Brian's Motorsports. You can get your car fully customized after buying it from Maple Motors, or if you just got something you want to get done, they're the guys to do it. He's always got something cool going on down here, a full showroom. Let's go ahead and check out briansmotorsports.com. BMS, baby. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Definitely check out the walk around video of this one. We're getting ready to grab another car, do a test drive. Check out maplemotors.com for finance and shipping information, 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. All of our inventory, we update it every Monday. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Constantly posting classic cars. All right, guys, appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.